Good morning, everybody. We are still in Split, Croatia, and today we're checking out the 5 Island tour.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Blue Lagoons and several beaches and do some swimming. You should check it out.
And the Blue Cave, the very famous Blue Cave. That I think is going to be like the main highlight, right?
Okay, yeah, that should be good. Yeah.
So anyway, we have a very fun-filled day, so we'll take you guys along.
Too early though, right now.
Yeah, it is pretty early, but we got to go catch our boat. So we'll see you in a bit. Just got to Bisevo Island, which is home to the Blue Cave, and a ton of other caves too, we heard, and legend has it that the island is haunted, but they found out it's not actually true after
no one knows if that's true, but it could be still haunted. Who knows?
We don't know. Maybe we'll find out. Hopefully not. There are only 12 people that live on the island year-round, so it's pretty...
No running water, and it's just off of solar panels, and so it's very, it's very eco-friendly here.
Yes, so we're gonna go explore the Blue Cave now. Since we visited in October, the very tail end of the high season, we were lucky to only wait 15 minutes before getting in our tiny boat to take us into the cave. If you go in July or August, you can expect to wait up to 3 hours for your magical 5 minutes of cave time. The Blue Cave is a natural wonder, or as Rick Steves would say, an Adriatic delight, with a tiny opening where sunlight hits at the perfect angle and reflects off the white sea bottom to create the heavenly blue effect that tourists write home about.
Just pulling into Stiniva Beach. It used to be a cave, and the waves crashed into it and blew the roof off of it, and now it's a beach. Check it out. This island was actually it's privately owned by some guy who just randomly had a bunch of money, decided to buy it. It's pretty cool. Has some donkeys, has a bar, and that's about it. And 2 beaches. This is one of them.
Croatia right now, and we are going to go take a little hike to get to the top of a mountain where there's a big fort, and let's go check it out. So we're here in Hvar, and you can see behind me that Kingsley is trying to sneak into a fortress. Probably not gonna happen. We kind of went up the wrong way, I think. We were maybe trying to save a couple bucks, to be honest. But the views are still amazing. I'm gonna show you guys, and we'll see if Kingsley can break into a legitimate fortress. Any luck, babe? But nobody's answering the door. Babe, we probably can't do that, you know. They won't let us in. But alas, no dice. A little slice of beauty, a little piece of heaven right here on our little stoop, and we just have an amazing view.
Yeah, it's Hvar Island, great island, beautiful, you know, very quiet here in October.
We weren't able to break into the fortress like Kingsley thought maybe we could, but
it's a fortress.
It is a fortress after all, but we still have a great time, and you know, now we're gonna leave you guys so we can have a little moment.
Yeah.